Flute. This is day 6 of our 7-day improvisation journey. Welcome! Today we are going to practice listening for the changes that's happening underneath in the chords. So I'm not going into details about theory in this channel, but it's really important to listen out for what's happening underneath. So these are called chord changes. And today we are going to listen out to see when it might be changing. That's all we are doing today. We are going to use the same notes as the last time, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And we are going to be using 3 different chords. So the first 2 bars are going to be C major. Then we have F major. Then G major on the 4th bar. And the melody we are going to try today is like this. If this is too tricky for you today, don't worry, you can just make up your own melody from the first line. Let's practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the first two bars, when we are playing C, G, C, E, the chord underneath is going to be C major. And the next bar is F major. And then G major. So we are going to do the first melody together. And then your improvisation for the next 3 lines. Let's have a go. And we end on a C major. Let's have a go at improvising. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! So this was your 16 bars of improvisation with the different chord changes that you were listening out for. Well done! Tomorrow is going to be the last day of our 7-day improvisation journey. So please stay tuned in. Thanks for watching. Bye!